Scalenut Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my Scalenut Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with Scalenut, an AI-powered content creation tool designed to streamline the content writing process. If you're interested in exploring the product further, check the links in the description below for more details. Scalenut is an advanced AI writing platform that leverages the power of natural language processing to assist users in creating high-quality written content. It's tailored for marketers, bloggers, content creators, and SEO professionals looking to generate content quickly and efficiently while maintaining quality. One of the key features of Scalenut is its topic research tool, which helps you uncover keyword ideas, search intent, and outlines, all of which are critical for SEO-optimized content. Another standout feature is Scalenut's AI Writer. It can generate long-form articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more in just minutes. The platform also includes an SEO assistant that ensures your content is not only well-written, but also ranks effectively on search engines. It provides real-time optimization suggestions for keyword density, meta tags, and readability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. What sets Scalenut apart is its Content Briefs feature, which allows you to create comprehensive content outlines that guide the AI to produce content aligned with your goals. This feature is perfect for content marketers who need highly targeted and relevant content for their audience. Scalenut is designed for content marketers, SEO professionals, bloggers, and anyone who needs high-quality, optimized content on a regular basis. Whether you're an individual blogger or part of a large marketing team, Scalenut helps simplify and speed up your content creation process. In summary, Scalenut is a robust tool for those looking to take their content strategy to the next level. With its powerful AI capabilities and user-friendly features, it's a great investment for anyone serious about creating engaging, SEO-friendly content. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.